Alright guys, so this is my last video of the grading period. What a wild ride it's been. I want to thank you guys that completed all of your work during this rough time. I understand how easy it could have been for you to get distracted while being at home and not complete your work. So I want to really thank you guys that worked really hard during this time. You really deserve the grade you're going to get for the grading period. And for the freshmen, sophomores, and juniors, when we get back to campus in the fall, please come by, say hi, so I can tell you in person. This year's been a good one. I wish we could have finished off at campus. You know, I'm a teacher because I enjoy being in the classroom. I enjoy interacting with students in the classroom, helping them, so on and so forth. It's not as easy to have the passion talking to a computer as it is talking to human beings face to face. But I did the best I could, so hopefully the little bit that I asked you guys to do this week, which will have make sure that everything's in by Wednesday, so you do need to do your makeup work. Anything you haven't completed, there's going to be one other small task that I'm going to have you guys do all through Google Classroom. To the seniors, I'll see you guys at graduation. I'll be there. I want to wish you guys well on the next stage of your life, whether that be college, work, or the military. To the group of you that I had 2 years ago in geometry, it's nuts. When you guys were in geometry, we lost time because of a hurricane. Now you're seniors in my pre-cal class, and we lose an entire grading period because of a virus. I want to let you guys know how much I've seen a lot of you grow. I appreciate the work that you guys have put into my classroom over those 2 years. It's going to pay off. And I just hope that you guys remember me as a good teacher, someone that helped you, someone that believed in you. And if you're ever back to visit, come say hi. I like it when former students come say hi, tell me how they're doing. So that's all I really have to say. Pretty short. So we'll see you guys later.